Rebecca, like you, is completing her trademark application. Currently, there are 45 trademark classes to choose from. Classes 1 to 34 are for goods, and 35 to 45 are for services. The heading of each class tells you the type of goods or services covered in that particular class. When completing her trademark application, Rebecca can choose to use the trademark classification search, also known as the pick list. This is a search engine that will allow you to enter keywords, which are then matched with possible claims that are listed in the correct classes. Remember that a trademark registration will give you exclusive rights to use your trademark in connection with the goods or services you are claiming. First, Rebecca needs to figure out if her application should be for goods, services, or both. Her trademark will be granted in relation to the goods or services she chooses. For Rebecca's trademark to be adequately protected, she needs to understand the trademark classes and how to select the right goods or services. This could save her money. A trademark is granted in relation only to the goods or services you apply for, not every good or service. Yes, it's true. The more you choose, the more you pay. But if you don't choose the right goods or services, then you may not have adequate trademark protection. If you register your trademark in a class that does not match your business, you may end up without the protection you actually need. Even worse, after Rebecca has applied for a trademark, she can't change it to expand the coverage of the goods or services she has chosen. So let's get this right the first time, otherwise you may need to submit another application.